Number 1. Husqvarna Power Axe 350i. If you're in the market for a powerful chainsaw that doesn't compromise on performance, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is the best option out there. One unique feature of this chainsaw is its boost mode, giving you a burst of extra power when you need it most. The 40-volt battery pack ensures long runtime, allowing you to get through even the toughest jobs without having to stop and recharge frequently. Another highlight of the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i is its ease of use and maintenance. The integrated chain tensioning system eliminates the need for a separate tool, making adjustments quick and hassle-free. The lightweight design and maneuverability of this chainsaw make it a breeze to handle, even for beginners. The brushless motor and cooling system not only improve efficiency, but also increase the battery's lifespan. One of the things I love most about this chainsaw is its ability to cut through thick logs and stumps effortlessly. The boost mode provides an extra kick of power when needed, making tough cutting jobs a breeze. However, one downside is the price tag, which may deter some buyers. But when you consider the performance and features that the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i offers, it's well worth the investment. In conclusion, the Husqvarna Power Axe 350i stands out as the best chainsaw on the market thanks to its powerful performance, long battery runtime, and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient chainsaw to tackle all your cutting needs, this is the one to check out.